Good evening, students. As you know, in next week you are having the test. So, in this week we just revise the lessons whichever coming in the test. Okay. So you know which lessons are coming? That is second and third lesson of EVS 1. That is family as first school and organ system. And for EVS 2, which lesson is there? Tell me. That is monuments and museum. Okay, so in today's video we just revise the second lesson and third lesson of EVS 1. So today we will complete the revision of EVS 1. Okay, all of you understood? Yes. So shall we start the second lesson of EVS 1 revision? All of you ready? Yes. Okay. So second lesson is family as first school. So in the school what we are doing? We are doing various activities. Main thing that is we learn something. We learn always good things. So family as first school means some things we learn from our family. So our first school is family. So what we learn from our family? So in that we learn some habits, some values from our elders. Okay. Now what is meant by habits? Habits means like we are having some specific habit of eating. Some student like or some children like eating by the spoon only. Okay. Some children like sleeping early. It is the habit, that is means that action or that activities we do daily, it is the habit. For example, eating, sleeping, walking, running. Okay, and all that activity that we do daily. Okay, that is the habits. Now what is meant by values? Values is the helpful to us, that we can decide which is the right, which is the wrong. Means suppose take example, we eat chocolate from any another person, not family members. If another person gives us chocolate and we eat it, okay, we ate already, then what we have to do? We have to tell our parents or tell our mummy. Okay, if we feel we don't have to tell our mummy, that is you are lying to your mummy. Okay, it is the bad habit. But in our family already all mummies and daddies told us that never lie. So you are, what you are doing? You are telling your parents each and everything. Okay, that is the values. That means values are good actions and thoughts. Okay, for example, we are respecting elders, like that touch the feet of elders. Okay, then taking care of young ones. Some of you have younger brother, younger sister, and you are taking when your mommy doing some work. If mommy said take care of your brother or sister, then what you are doing? You are giving her or his water or anything to eat. Okay, that is the taking care of younger ones and respecting elders. That is the values. So in that lesson we have studied habits and values. What is meant by habits and what is meant by values. After that we have studied one interesting point, that is some habits we have learned from our family. That is the manner how to eat, that is the manner how to sit, when suppose elders elder brother, grandfather, grandmother, means elders, when they are coming in them, we have to stand up. Okay, that is the good actions we are learning from our family. Okay, then some values we learn from our family. In the different family, different values are there. Okay, suppose like that, being kind and helpful, then respecting others, being discipline means in all family, that they decide that time when the dinner time, okay, sleeping time, okay, that is the values that we have learned in this lesson. After that, we have studied some good habits and what is the bad habits. Good habits means we have to don't fight anyone, that is don't fight your brother and sister. Then bad habits is throwing all that garbage around us, that is the bad habit. So we always follow the good habit. Okay, and I know you all are good childrens, all are good boy and good girl, you are following always good habits. Okay, so in this lesson we have studied habits, values, whatever habits, whatever values we learn from our family, we have studied in this lesson. Okay, after that we have studied what is meant by good habit and bad habit. Okay, here we have finished second lesson. Now we have started the third lesson. Okay, that is organ system. So you have already know we are having some body parts. Now what is meant by organs? After that we will study organ system. First we have to know what is meant by organs. That body part which doing specific function, special work. That is the organs. Or we can say organs is present inside our body. Okay. Now some organs inside our body we have studied. Food pipe, then stomach, then next one windpipe, lungs, heart, then kidneys, brain. All we have studied in third lesson. How it's looking and what is the size of that organ we have already studied. Now organ system. Organ system, it is the group of organs which doing specific functions. Okay, that is the organ system. Now some organs coming together and doing function for one purpose only. That is the system. Some system present in our body like digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, then nervous system. Okay, now in this lesson we have studied the some parts, whatever organs doing work together for one purpose, that present in one system. Now take digestive system. Which body part or which organ present in digestive system? We have studied food pipe, stomach, then then they are helping to breaking down the food particles. Okay, then next one, respiratory system. In that which organs are present? Windpipe, lungs, they are helping to breathing. Okay, then circulatory system. In that blood vessels, arteries, veins are present. And the nervous system, one main organ inside in our head, that is the brain. Okay, so in this lesson we have studied what is meant by organ, what is meant by organ system, whatever organs present inside our body. We have studied only some organs and some digestive system like digestive, respiratory, circulatory and nervous system. Okay, so here we finish the revision of second lesson and third lesson. After this, you have to read whole the lesson. I will take your 10 mark test on this 2 lesson. Okay, thank you.